I'm a little bit nervous.
The sinks are right there. Nowhere else. The sink.
Don't blow it on me though.
You gotta swallow it.
One go.
No homo.
Boom.
Okay. 5, 4, 3,
Just
Don't
do
blow
it.
chunks.
2, 1.
Don't be a bitch. Hold it. Swallow it. Swallow it.
Dude, there's one right here.
That was terrible, Dave.
This is how much I'm supposed to have?
A little more.
A little more, holy.
Okay, we find it the way, Dave. Yo, you gotta actually swallow it. I like Dave's bitch ass. Look here. Dave, look here.
Yo, bitch assness.
Yo, let's go. It can't be that bad.
Yeah, it can't be that bad, man.
You fucking try it, man.
Now it's Justin's turn.
This is how a real man does it, you know?
No, let's see how much you got on there first. Alright. Swallow it. Swallow it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Sick.
No, don't encourage him. Let him do it. Sing, sing. Just to look here quickly. Hold on, it's not done yet.
Oh, damn.